Hey y'all, wanted to show you the install here. I got my GPS tracker from LoneStar Tracking in. I'm going to put it on a flatbed trailer I have here, and just wanted to show you the install and how small and well these magnets work. Here's the trailer that I'm dealing with, just an old farm trailer, but you know how theft can be. And here's the tracking device. You see how small it is, it fits in my hands. Lightweight, waterproof. It feels very rugged, so I'm not worried about this breaking. These magnets they have on here are pretty incredible. Let me just show you. So I don't know if you can hear that, but it definitely requires some force to remove it. I'm not worried whatsoever about this tracker coming off. Installation, the frame of the trailer is all steel, and then it's got a wood floor here. So, and underneath, it's got steel cross members, and it looks like it's got lots of options here. I'll put it that way. But just to give you a quick demo or kind of show you what I'm thinking here. Let's see. Yeah. Once you stick it, be ready. That's for sure. So I've hit it right there, and I don't know if you can see in the sunlight, but that's just an example. Really what I'll probably do here when I get off the camera is crawl up under the trailer and install it under there where no one's going to see it. If someone were to steal this trailer, they're going to come up, they're going to hook up, and they're going to leave. They may look around briefly, see if there's something on it, a tracker, but they're not going to check every square inch. It'd be impossible. So we've got a lot of options where we could install it again, because we've got all the steel or metal here, wheel wells, whatnot. So plenty of places to hide. That tracker is from LoneStar Tracking. www.lonestartracking. So far so good, and I'm impressed with the software, the mobile app. Seems to be very easy to use. I'm happy with it so far. I'll keep you guys updated.